If you own a law firm, you may be asking, really, what makes up the value of a law firm? Or what goes into a law firm's valuation? Well, I'll tell you. First, it starts with your EBITDA. What's your EBITDA? Your EBITDA is your earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. That's a complex CPA way of saying it's your financials. It's your consistency of your revenues, the health of your profit, the cases and the clients and everything else that you've seen. How strong and what order or what shape are your financials in for your firm? The higher the revenues, the more valuable the firm, typically, but really it's how profitable, how you as an owner have built it to be efficient. The second part is your intellectual property. Again, another complex term, but us lawyers like complex terms, but really what it means is your brand. What makes you unique? What have you built that makes you better than the neighboring firm down the way? What have you built that makes you stronger and able for somebody else to come in and buy with the right energy and plan going forward that's going to give them an opportunity for growth? So it's your uniqueness, your brand. The third piece is your systems. Now look, your systems may be complex software that you've built. It may be a yellow pad with a checklist you use for every legal consult. But at the end of the day, those are systems that determine how reliant the firm is on you as the owner. And that's really what we're looking at. If somebody's coming in to buy your law firm, their concern is how reliant is it on you, the owner? The more you've developed systems, even the basic ones, the easier it is for them to see that they can transition the value over to them or to their team or anything else. So really going through how much delegation have you successfully done? How many systems have you built to carry that forward? Now, 1, 2, 3, I'll tell you something that isn't on this list is emotions. But it is something that you think a lot about in the value of your law firm. Maybe you don't think about it, but you feel it. You've built it. You've spent years, decades, some of you 40, 50 years building your law firm. It is your baby. It is what you've had and controlled and nurtured for years. Blood, sweat, and tears have gone into it. But emotions have a tricky way of killing deals or of not seeing that valuation really is more logical, more objective than subjective, and leaving the emotions out of that is really what's going to help you agree on value and get a deal done. So just know there's emotions, but they definitely aren't part of your law firm's value. So again, we'd love to help you value your law firm, understand that valuation, or how to sell or develop a succession plan. Just let us know how. Thanks so much.